A great thing to have with your new Excalibur crossbow is going to be our serving wax. Serving wax purpose is to increase the length of time that your serving will last. That's going to save you money and keep your string running longer. Now, it's easy to apply. A lot of people think they should smear it all over the deck of the bow. That's not what it's for. What you want to do is rub it down into the center serving. Roll the serving around, rub it in real good, and then once you've done that, use your thumb and work it right down into that serving material. Now, that's going to do two things. It's going to protect the string from the two little claws that hold it inside of your trigger unit, where there's a lot of pressure, and it's also going to spread this wax on the deck of the bow and create lubrication every time you fire the bow. So you want to increase the length of the life of the serving on your strings, get some serving wax. It's going to make a big difference.